Hey guys, so you're welcome back to my channel. Sorry, that is not my real voice. Okay guys, so I'm trying to make onubu soup, that is bitter leaf soup and stew at the same time, but boiling my meat though, and you know normally we are not supposed to make bitter leaf soup with onion, but I shall say let me add it like that. After all, after I will separate it, okay, and then use my meat sauce to make my stew. Okay, and I decided to add my fish last at the top so that they don't get scattered. You know how fish used to do, small spoon that will touch it, now their legs will open. So I just started making my bitter leaf soup. I added my stockfish and the rest. Guys, a lot happened though. Well, this is what I was trying to tell you guys, so the vlog is not complete because while I was adding all those things, I forgot that I was doing video. Okay, so this is where we started, and this is my bitter leaf inside my soup. You know, it is now doing bubble, 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 bubble. Hey, the soup is ready. Oh, the soup is ready. This soup was very sweet, guys. You know, Anambra people now, we know the carry last. Now we get bitter leaf soup. Okay, so guys, I did not record where I was doing this too because everybody was like, I'm hungry, do it, but do this one. Well, this is it though. I shall say let me eat first before I start the stew. I shall dished out my soup after eating, guys. So I forgot that I was supposed to do vlog for the stew, so that was how my vlog ended. I did not add the stew, but you guys are going to see the stew at the end though. But if you want to test this soup, if you want to test this soup, just comment. Okay, comment, I'll get yours to you. All right, so this is my stew, baby, my stew and my soup. So these are the leftovers. Okay, so they're going straight into the freezer. You understand me? This stew is very sweet, and the soup, guys, here I was trying to show my creativity. You know, that's how I was videoing it like this. So I even tried to do like a camera woman. You know, I was no worries, So you see, I was trying to get different angles of the soup, both the one inside and the one under, you know, so you guys will see. Thank you for watching. Bye.